Crocodile song for kids, nursery rhymes. Crocodile, crocodile, swimming in the stream, big green tail and eyes that gleam. Stomp, stomp, snap, but don't you fear, crocodile smiles when kids are near. Swim, swim, crocodile, swim so free. Wiggle your tail by the big blue tree. Clap, 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 everybody smile. Let's dance with the happy crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile, walking on the shore. Tiny birds ride on him, 1, 2, 4. Stomp, 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 hear his feet. Crocodile loves to dance to the beat. Swim, swim, crocodile, swim so wide. Splash in the water as we all slide. Clap, 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 stay a while. Let's play with the friendly crocodile. Crocodile laughs everywhere he goes. Jump, 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 high in style. Funny little happy crocodile. Swim, swim, crocodile, sing with me. Wave your hands, 1, 2, 3. Clap, 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 dance all the while. Goodbye to the silly crocodile.